Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleansing and readying the limbs. Wash hands and feet with warm water and mild soap, then gently dry. Once done, trim nails and remove any debris. Apply a thin layer of oil or ghee to soften the skin so decorations sit smoothly. Make sure to set out a clean cloth, a bowl for turmeric paste, kumkum, and a mirror within reach. This immediate preparation prevents smudging and helps the color and embellishments adhere evenly as you proceed. You move to decorating. First, apply a thin turmeric paste where you want base color, then add kumkum dots or lines. Let each layer set for a minute or two to avoid blending. Next, carefully paint alta or red dye into neat motifs. Use a cotton swab for tidy arcs and tiny dots between fingers and toes. Once the dye sets, place adhesive bindies or small temple flowers at key points for balance. Make sure to work symmetrically so both hands and both feet mirror each other. You finish by sealing and securing the look. Lightly dust rice flour or a translucent powder to reduce smearing, and then let the limbs rest. Make sure to cover hands and feet with soft cotton cloth or gloves for 10 to 15 minutes while drying. Avoid water contact during this time. If smudging occurs, calmly dab the area with a little oil to lift excess. Reapply a tiny touch of dye to correct the design. Then reseal and blot gently until dry to maintain crisp lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.